Welcome to ASIM Code. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. In this video, we will learn about unit tests. Unit tests are a way of testing the individual parts of your program to make sure they work correctly. Think of them like checking each part of a machine to ensure it functions properly before putting everything together. When you write unit tests, you are creating small, self-contained tests that focus on a single piece of your application. These tests help ensure that the code you write does exactly what you expect, which makes the whole application more reliable. It is also easier to fix issues if you know exactly where they are coming from. Here is an example to show you how unit tests work in Python. We will use Python's built-in Unitest framework for this. The example will involve a simple function that adds two numbers, and we will write a test to check that it behaves as expected. Import the unit testing module. Function to add two numbers. Class to hold the test case. Test case 1, adding positive numbers. Call the function with two positive numbers. Check if the result is as expected. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Test case 2, adding negative numbers. Check if the result is correct. -3 plus -5 is equal to -8. Test case 3, adding a positive number and a negative number. Call the function with a mix of positive and negative numbers. Check if the result is correct. 10 plus -3 is equal to 7. Test case 4, adding 0. Call the function with 0 and a positive number. Test case 5, adding 0 and a negative number. Call the function with 0 and a negative number. to run the tests when this script is executed directly. Now run our code. To keep on learning, please subscribe to ASYM Code and keep supporting, and thank you for watching.